In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posts in Meta Business Suite for Facebook and Instagram. We'll walk through the full process from opening Meta Business Suite all the way to publishing or scheduling your posts so you can manage both platforms from one place. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that manages the pages or profiles you want to post to. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see an overview of your business activity. Look for the option that says Create Post. This is usually prominently displayed on the home screen or in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Post to open the Post Composer. In the Composer, you'll see a section near the top that lets you choose where your post will be published. Click on the drop-down next to Post To. From here, select your Facebook page and your Instagram account. You can choose one or both, depending on where you want this content to appear. Take a moment to double check that the correct accounts are selected so your post goes to the right places. Next, let's add media. If you want to share an image, click on Add Photo. This will open a file picker on your computer where you can browse and select the image you want to upload. After you choose it, you'll see a preview on the right. If you prefer to post a video or you want to add video instead of an image, click on Add Video and select the video file from your computer. Again, wait for the upload to complete and check the preview to make sure everything looks good. You can use either photos or videos depending on your content, but you don't need to change anything else in the steps. Now click into the main text field and type the caption for your post. This is where you can describe your content, add a call to action, and include any relevant hashtags. Read through your text to make sure it's clear, has no spelling mistakes, and matches the tone of your brand. Remember that the same text will be used on both Facebook and Instagram if you selected both. If you want to schedule your post for later, look for the option that says Set Date and Time. Turn on the toggle to enable scheduling. A date and time selector will appear. Choose the exact day and time you want your post to go live. This is useful if you're planning content in advance or targeting a specific time when your audience is most active. Once you've set your preferred time, click on Schedule to confirm. Your post will now be queued and will publish automatically at the time you selected. If you don't want to schedule and instead want the post to go out immediately, simply turn off the set date and time toggle so scheduling is disabled, and then click Publish. Meta Business Suite will then publish your post right away to the accounts you selected. And that's it. You've created a post in Meta Business Suite for Facebook and Instagram, added your media and text, and either scheduled it or published it instantly.